Salutations, fellow chemists. Welcome back to school and welcome back to my TikTok. Today, we're asking ourselves, what is an alloy? To understand what an alloy is, firstly, you need to know what metallic bonding is. So, in metallic bonding, we have a lattice. So that just means a regular repeating structure of cations. So here, a cation is a positively charged ion. So that's the metal cations. And in between, we've got a sea of delocalized electrons. So let's write that down. I'm going to turn this way. Lattice of cations. And we have a sea of delocalized electrons. Okay, so what is important about this here? First thing you need to see is our cations are arranged in layers, which means the layers can easily slide past each other, making our metals what we call malleable. And malleable just means you can easily bend or shape the metal. So moving on to alloys, why are they different? So what is an alloy? Well, it is a mixture of two or more elements. Let's be quick. Two or more elements where at least one of them is a metal. Okay, so at least one metal. And let's have a look at what makes them different to the metals we saw before. So I'm going to run away, get myself a black pen. And as you can see in our diagram over here, we have different sized atoms in the alloy. And we could see in the metal they're all the same. And what that does is it's going to disrupt the layers that we saw before. So because the layers are disrupted, and remember the layers could slide over each other easily in a pure metal, in an alloy, it is harder for them to slide over. Harder for layers to slide. And that is why your alloys are usually a lot harder than the pure metal itself. So I hope that was helpful in understanding what an alloy is, and make sure you are following, liking and sharing all our videos on TikTok. See you soon.